All right, we're going to create a voice AI customer support agent using VAPI.ai that will let you take customer support calls on your telephone. The first step is to buy a phone number. This is the number that you'll call to actually use the service. The second step is creating an assistant. This is where you'll give it instructions and the knowledge of anything needed for the call. Then we'll connect the assistant to the phone number. And that's pretty much it. Don't use this in production. There's some other stuff you'll want to do before you make this public, but let's get on to the demo. Hi there. Let's go ahead and create a simple inbound call assistant. So we're going to start with a phone number. We're going to buy a number. It's $2 a month. We'll just make up an area code. Use 443 for the Baltimore area. And it's created this phone number for us here. So we try calling it now. It probably won't do much of anything, but let's just give it a shot.
Either set the assistant ID on the phone number, or to debug your assistant's request, check the debugging artifacts that were just sent to your server.
Okay, so basically it's just saying we don't have anything linked to this account right now. So we're going to create an assistant and create assistant. And we're just going to use a, let's just do a customer support bot just to start off with something simple. And you'll see here that it's set us up with a test prompt for an AI assistant called Ava. We're just going to take the default prompts here and we will, it's already published. So we're going to go back to phone number and we're going to select our assistant, Ava. So we're just setting that up for the inbound settings. We're not going to do any outbound yet. So let's see if that worked. We're going to call again.
How may I assist you today?
Hi, calling for help with my new widget storm.
First, I'm here to help. When you say storm, are you referring to a product? No. Could you please provide me with more details so I can better assist you?
Actually, I'm good, thanks. Bye.
You're welcome. Feel free to reach out if you need any assistance in the future.
And that's how simple it is. After a little bit, you'll see on the overview any billing information. If you go to call logs, you can see the history of your call. You can see we may have had an inbound call. The logs will show a bunch of kind of technical information that you don't really need to worry about. You can view a transcript of the call. If there's any analysis set up, which is a feature we can add later, it'll show here. We'll give you a detailed kind of debugging approach, a view of all the messages. And you can you can play back the call, and it separates the callee and the caller into stereo channels, so you'll hear them from different sides, and you can really easily see on the chart how it is, the call flow. So that's it. That's how simple it is to set up a basic call.